Tips and tricks to end your snoring. Occasional snoring happens to almost everyone, however, some people are more prone to frequent snoring than others. If you snore more than you'd like, and you are looking to reduce your snoring, read the following video. If you have problems with snoring during the colder winter months, consider purchasing a humidifier. If you allow the humidifier to remain on in your bedroom while you sleep, you may notice less snoring. The moisture in the air reduces congestion in your chest and reduces the breathing difficulty that can lead to snoring. If you have a snoring problem, avoid sleeping on your back. This position makes snoring more likely because of the way the soft palate and base of the tongue rest at the back of your mouth. Instead, sleep on your side. You are less likely to snore in this position and your quality of sleep will likely improve. If your bedmate is a chronic snorer, it may become necessary to make certain adjustments to your schedules. Ask your snoring partner to wait until you have already fallen asleep before coming to bed. This way, you can fall asleep quickly and may have a better chance of waking up being well rested the next day. Stick to a regular bedtime, and practice good sleep habits in general to reduce the incidence of snoring. If you go to bed overtired, sleep erratic hours, or have other bad sleep habits, you may sleep very deeply, which relaxes the muscles in the back of your throat more than usual. This can contribute to snoring. Hopefully, this video has made you realize that even though it happens while you're unconscious, you can still exercise some control over whether or not you snore. Just apply the tips that you have learned here and commit to using the suggestions regularly so you can reduce your bedtime snoring. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.